Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Learn English Body Education channel. Today, we will learn parts of speech in a very easy way. Parts of speech are the basic categories of words in English. Every word in a sentence belongs to a part of speech. There are 8 main parts of speech in English grammar. 1. Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: boy, school, book, honesty. Sentence: the boy reads a book. 2. Pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of a noun. Examples: he, she, it, they. Sentence: Ali is my friend. He is very kind. 3. Verb. A verb shows action or state of being. Examples: run, eat, is, are. Sentence: she is writing a letter. 4. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Examples: big, beautiful, smart. Sentence: it is a beautiful flower. 5. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Examples: quickly, very, well. Sentence: he runs fast. 6. Preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun and another word. Examples: in, on, under, at. Sentence: the book is on the table. 7. Conjunction. A conjunction joins words or sentences. Examples: and, but because. Sentence: I like tea and coffee. 8. Interjection. An interjection shows strong feelings or emotions. Examples: wow, oh alas. Sentence: wow, that is amazing. Conclusion. These are the 8 parts of speech in English grammar. Understanding them helps you speak, write, and understand English better.